Everybody's got something they're thankful for, and Nike is thanking us by giving us these right here. At a price point of $230, is it worth it? Let's talk about it. The Jordan 11 Gratitudes. What's going on, YouTube? Louis of the Warrior Kicks channel back again to do an unboxing of a shoe that is dropping this coming Saturday. So I'm glad I'm giving you a little bit of an early look, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right into these. And real quick, shout out to my man at Legit vs Replicated for ooping me the retail pair that he hit on from the sneakers at. But as you can see here, we got a pretty much all black flip up lid box, guys, with the gold Jumpman there in the middle, and the label reads Air Jordan 11 Retro white metallic gold black. This is a size 12, and it also has the little gold loop here, and I believe that's if you know, someone who likes to stack their shoes on top of each other. In this loop, you can, easily pull that box out. I think that's what it's for. If it's not, please let me know there in the comments, guys. Educate me on that. In any case, like I said, let's go ahead and pop the lid open. And once you do open the lid here, you are met with thank you written in gold vertically on the inside of the lid, which I believe is a really nice touch. And then the tissue paper itself does have thank you written in it in probably who knows how many different languages on here. I believe I see Chinese, I see Japanese on here, I see Russian, I see English, Spanish. So a bunch of different languages, which I think is a really nice touch. But we're not here for the tissue paper or the box. We're here for the kicks, guys. And here we go, the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Now there's a lot of talk of how similar these are to the Jordan 11 DMPs, how similar these are to the Jordan 11 Concords, and I see all those similarities, but obviously this here has a few different touches on it, like the all leather upper instead of the ballistic mesh that we usually get here on the 11s. And then you got a raised gold Jumpman there on the back, and raised gold 23 there written on the back of the heel. Plus you have a milky outsole, kind of giving it somewhat of an aged look, and you got the Jumpman there under it, and the black patent leather all around. Now, most of this shoe, yeah, you can see the similarities into the DMP because of the gold hints. You can see the similarities of the Concords because of the black and white, and that's all well and good, but is it $230? Well and good. I mean, there's no hang tag here, and while, yeah, the boxing is a little bit special, really, it's kind of not really that special, right? It's just different. They didn't really give us a whole lot when it comes to this shoe. So Nike's way of thanking us is that $230 price tag. But unfortunately, while the hype was there early on, like 2 months ago, when a lot of people got these in hand and they were already doing reviews on it, a lot of people thought these were going to be tough to come by. But today on JD Sport Finish Line, they had exclusive access for in-store pickup, and guess what? The full-size run was sitting. Men's, grade school, toddler, infant, like all the sizes were sitting, at least at my store. Comment down below if it was the same for you, if you got online and tried to go ahead and reserve your pair with them. So that being said, these are going to be a pretty easy cop, and I believe a bunch of these are already going under retail right now on the secondary market websites. I would venture to say these are going to end up in the outlets, and it's crazy to think about that, but I believe it's going to be true. A lot of these are going to end up in the outlets, but guess what? That's great for you guys that actually want these, and because of the money you got to spend maybe on Christmas or whatever holiday it is out there that you're celebrating with people, and you got money you got to allocate to that, you can easily at some point go ahead and reach back for these, and it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Now, I wouldn't wait forever, because at some point the market will do this. It will go up on these. That being said, I do really like these. I do like the execution on here. I like the craftsmanship. I like the quality. It's definitely a quality looking pair that if you're someone who likes 11s, I'm telling you now, you're not going to be mad at these. These are definitely a great pair to have. And because they're mainly black and white and with some gold hints, you know what I mean? Like, they're going to go with a whole bunch of different outfits out there. So definitely not a bad cop whatsoever. Now, if you go ahead and cop these early because you just want them, you know what I mean, as far as copping them before sales, hey, do your thing, you know what I mean? But these right here, down the line, they will end up on sale, and some people it's gonna be much cheaper cop. In any case, guys, if you're liking this video, smash that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscriber button so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.